I chose the topic hooliganism because I would like to know something more about it, and I saw this movie called The Green Hooligans and I got so fascinated about it, so that's why. Um, Hooliganism is a firm that's connected to a special soccer team. The firm is very violent and have a bad behavior. A firm attack another firm is like they have a conflict and they just attack each other to express their feelings, and yeah. I don't think they do it for the team they support. They do it more like for themselves because they get the adrenaline kick, they can do anything they want, and they just feel free. I think that the hooliganism is a bad thing, even though it gives you the adrenaline kick, it still cause many people a lot of problems.